Great stock market tips from the pros. Familiarizing yourself with the stock market can be a great way to make some extra cash on the side or even create a primary source of income. Many people have heard others advise to buy low and sell high, but there are many other tips. Watch this video for some ways on how to play the stock market to your advantage. Remember to be realistic in what your expected return is when investing. Most people know that investing in the stock market doesn't guarantee riches overnight. Keep that in mind and you will prevent mistakes from being made in your investments. Beginner stock investors would be wise to make themselves prepared to lose a bit of money on some of their trades. Oftentimes, new traders panic at the first dollar they lose and quickly sell off their stocks before giving them a chance to recover on their own. Don't let greed or impatience control your decisions when it comes to investing in the stock market. Buying low and selling high is a common tip because it makes sense to buy a stock when there's a higher chance that it will rise in price, even if you have to wait for a while. Figure out if you want to use a brokerage to purchase stocks, or if you want to buy right from a direct investment plan or dividend reinvestment plan. If you do not think you can afford a brokerage, there are many discount brokerages available. Just be aware that some companies do not offer a direct investment plan. Locate some undervalued stocks. This may be tricky since the entire market appears to be on the decline. Do a full search for those that have a lower price than their expected stock value in the coming future. If that company is solid, and if they show promise with a low stock price, they may be a good choice. Keep an eye on market trends in a bear market. It is approximated that 75% of stocks follow occurring trends. Your ability to recognize and act on trends as soon as they happen can be the key to a measurable success. Contrarily, your failure to accurately spot trends can result in large losses. Learning how to invest some money in the stock market can be a great way to supplement any income. Profits from investments can provide savings for a rainy day fund, or a consistent way to make money. Remember the tips in this video, so that you can start using the stock market today. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Bartolome MC.